This meeting is being recorded.
Custom tooltip. Okay, sorry, I did not record this one. So in the case of custom tooltip, this is the default tooltip. When you keep the cursor over any image, it gives you the tooltip. It displays the tooltip. The tooltip is displayed in the black color rectangle. And for example, in this case, it's very much helpful. This rectangle is very small. When you hover the cursor on this smaller rectangle in the tooltip, it shows everything in detail, right? But is there any way I can create my own custom tooltip? Yes, that is also possible. What I will do is I just create a new page like drill through filter. First, you need to create the tooltip page. I create a tooltip page. And then what I will do is here in this thing, I just go and okay, I will just create one simple visual. We can see that is a sales by region here. This is our main page. Now I go to the tooltip page. In the tooltip page, what you need to do is click on the format page, and here you have the canvas settings. And here, if you look at the type here, you need to select the tooltip here. Okay, look at the tooltip size. Go, the page size will be this much. And you can also go to the view ribbon, and here you can specify the page view as actual size. Okay, this is my actual size. Here, what I do is I'm going to select some visual. I'm going to display the donut chart here. In this case, I just put the category and sales here. And now I'm going to create another visual, the core visual. In the core visual, I'll just resize it. And then I will click on sales here. My tooltip page is now ready. And I go back to the previous page. In this page, in this visual, I want to use the tooltip. I'm going to select this visual. And then if you go to the format your visual, and if you type your tooltip, and here you will find the tooltip section. It is on already. The type is, you need to click on the report page. Okay. And in the page, tooltip page, which page you want to use it? Automatic. I don't need the automatic one. Tooltip. The tooltip page, which I created a while back, that I need to select it here. And then when you keep the cursor over each of these rectangle, in this central region, what is the sales breakdown by category? You can see it in one single report itself. So you can see that the office supplies and technology furniture, how much it gives me the breakdown of the sales by category in central, and also it gives me the totals. And look here, this is my 2.53. Look here, with this the y-axis you can understand 2.53. It displays the correct value here. Look here, this is how you can create the custom tooltip. Then they'll ask you, how can you create the custom tooltip? Okay, so what are the steps involved here? First, you need to create a tooltip page. In the tooltip page, make sure that you go to the format page and the canvas settings. You need to, in the type, you need to select tooltip, and you need to go to the view ribbon and make sure that in the page you select the actual size and whatever the visuals that you want it as part of your tooltip, you can put it here, and then go back to the previous report, wherein you select the visual for which visual you want to use this tooltip, right? For that visual, you need to select it, and then go to the format visual format option, and then here you go and search the tooltip here, and in the tooltip Instead of using the auto mode in the page, you can use the tooltip page which you created a while back. That's it. We are all set. And the next one is the hierarchies.